Welcome to How Logical. In today's video, I am going to show you how can you delete your Instagram story. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Step 1. Open your Instagram application. Firstly, you need to open your Instagram application, and after opening the application, just simply click to your story. Step 2. Delete the story. Now after clicking to the story, you can see this 3-dot button into the bottom right corner. You just simply have to tap into that 3-dot button. And after tapping to that button, you can see this delete option here. You just simply have to tap into that. And after tapping and confirming to delete, you can also delete your Instagram stories. So if this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching.